Hi Satellite Beach, this is Evelyn again. Today we're going to talk about hurricanes. This week is National Hurricane Preparedness Week. A hurricane is a tropical cyclone which forms over tropical and subtropical waters like Atlantic Ocean. When these storms have winds blowing over 74 miles per hour, they are considered hurricanes. Hurricanes are considered a category of 1 through 5 depending on wind speeds. There are about a dozen hurricanes every year. Every year, hurricanes are assigned names by the letters of the alphabet. They alternate between girl and boy names. Hurricanes can cause severe wind damage, flooding, tornadoes, as well as storm surge, which is a little bit like a tidal wave. Since we live in coastal Florida, it's really important to prepare for hurricane season. The best way to prepare for a hurricane is to get supplies early. This is especially important during coronavirus lockdown, as there are already shortages of food and supplies. The next thing to do is pay attention to weather forecasts for hurricanes. And if you're in a potential path of a hurricane, you should put up hurricane shutters over the windows of your home. Also, if you're told to evacuate, always evacuate to ensure safety. Leave when your local authorities tell you to. Most importantly, always remember to help your family, friends, and neighbors throughout the entire hurricane season. Actually, I recommend always to help as many people as you can. I've been through a couple hurricanes in the past 4 years I've lived in Florida. And I wanted to share some footage from before, during, and after Hurricane Irma. We were spared harm for most part, but Hurricane Irma was devastating for other areas. Stay safe, stay healthy, and be prepared, Satellite Beach. Bye!